In this video, you'll learn how to find missing or not visible Google Drive files. If you've ever been sure a file is there but just can't see it, don't worry. We'll go through a clear, simple process to track it down, even if it's buried in a folder, shared by someone else, or accidentally deleted. First, open Google Drive in your browser or through the app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, because being in the wrong account is one of the most common reasons files seem to disappear. Once you're in the right drive, we'll start with the search tools at the top. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Click or tap in that bar and type the name of the file you're trying to find, or even just a word you know is in the title. As you type, Google Drive may suggest files that match. If you see it, you can open it directly from the suggestions. If not, press enter to run a full search. Now, let's look at a few key sections in Drive where your file might be hiding, even if it doesn't show up right away. The first place is My Drive. This is your main storage area. On the left-hand side, click on My Drive and browse through your folders. Sometimes a file is still there, but has been moved into a different folder or subfolder, so take a moment to open any folder where it might logically belong. Next, check the Shared With Me section on the left sidebar. This area holds files and folders that other people have shared with you. If someone else created the file and sent you access, it may not be stored in your My Drive by default. Scroll through the Shared With Me list, or use the search bar while that section is selected to narrow things down further. After that, click on Recent. This section shows files you've opened or edited recently. If you worked on the file not long ago, it can be much quicker to spot it here than to remember exactly where you saved it. Just scroll through and look for the file name or its icon. If you still haven't found it, it's important to check the trash. On the left side, open the trash section. Files here may have been deleted by you or by someone with access to the folder. Scroll through and see if your file is there. If you find it, right-click or tap the options and restore it so it goes back into your drive. Now let's refine your search. Look at the search options near the search bar to see if any filters are applied, such as specific file types, date ranges, or locations. A filter that's too narrow can actually hide the file you want. Clear or adjust any filters so your search is broader. Finally, try searching by file type or owner. In the search options, you can choose a type like document, spreadsheet, presentation, or PDF. You can also search by who owns the file, such as yourself or someone who shared it with you. This is especially helpful when you remember who created the file, but not exactly what it was called. By opening Google Drive, using the search bar, checking My Drive, Shared With Me, Recent, and Trash, and then adjusting filters or searching by type or owner, you have a complete systematic way to track down almost any missing file in Google Drive.